To begin, start by laying on your back and hug your right knee into your right shoulder, avoiding your rib cage. Hold here anywhere from 3 to 5 breaths, or you can even set a timer, and then switch to the left side. And then hug both knees into your chest, keep your belly engaged. Just offer slight pressure, then extend your arms, and then slight pressure. Take this as slow as you'd like, following your inhales and your exhales. From there, straighten your legs. Hug your right knee into your right shoulder, reach behind your knees, start to straighten your heel to the sky. Notice that the knee stays bent, and then start to pull your toes towards your face and press them away. You can repeat this for a certain amount of breaths or a certain amount of time. And then extend the right leg, hug the left knee into our left shoulder, again, avoiding the rib cage, and then start to what we call floss your foot. So pull the toes into your face, press them away. When you're done, hug them both into your chest, and then find your figure 4. Keeping both toes engaged. Your ankles are pulled into dorsiflexion, your toes pulled up to your face. And then it's the same thing here. You want to offer some slight pressure as you pull in towards your body, and then press away. Your low back is going to stay pretty flat against the floor for this. Your core stays engaged just to help protect your spine. And repeat on the other side. When you're done, you're going to press your low back flat into the ground. You're going to keep your ribs tightly squeezed together. Your knees are stacked over your hips. We call this the dead bug position. Hold here as long as feels comfortable, or you can set a timer for 30 seconds. The low back flat on the ground is the main point here. From there, you can start to hinge at your hips, keeping the knee bent. Start to slowly drop one heel to the floor. I call these heel taps. Again, the main goal here is to leave the low back flat. When you're done, find happy baby. Again, holding for a certain amount of breaths, and when you're ready, hug your knees into your chest. From there, you're just going to drop your feet. These are isometric obliques. So there's no movement, but you're pressing your knee into your hand, and your hand presses back into your knee. Low back flat, belly in, ribs down, all that good stuff. And you just march one knee up. You can hold from anywhere from 5 to 10 seconds, or you can hold for just a full round of breath in and a full round of breath out. From there, take your feet as wide as the mat. You're going to let your knees fall to touch each other. Any pain, don't do this. From there, you kind of just windshield wiper your knees side to side. So as the left knee falls wide, the right knee falls towards the middle of your mat, and then vice versa. The right knee wants to fall wide and the left knee falls in. I like to keep my hand on my hip here to kind of offer a little overpressure to feel a little bit more stretch. From there, extend the left leg, hug your right knee into your shoulder, and then you're going to take it to your opposite shoulder. Hold here for a certain amount of breaths, and then take the knee a little further across. Less of a stretch in your glute, and maybe a little bit more start to opening up through the spine just a little bit. If you're feeling the rotation in your low back, don't go as far. If you're feeling a really great stretch in your glutes, stay there. From there, hug both knees back into your chest. Give yourself one final squeeze, and then find your Shavasana. I hope this relieves all of your back pain. Please let me know what you need. I am here for you.